Welcome to students. We are studying about the histology of ovary of female reproductive system in human. First, we studied about the germinal epithelium and tunica albuginea. Second one is the ovarian follicles. The cortex mainly shows following five types of ovarian follicles. First one is the primordial follicle, second primary follicle, third secondary follicle, fourth Graafian follicle, and last one is the atretic follicles. First one is the primordial follicles. These are found at the periphery or peripheral region of the cortex below the tunica albuginea. At this stage, the central ovum is surrounded by a single layer of follicular cells, and therefore it is also called as unilaminar follicle. You see here the structure of the primordial follicle. This one is oocyte. At the center there is a nucleus, and these are the follicular cells which are present in the stroma. Second one is the primary follicle. It shows a homogeneous membrane that is called zona pellucida, which appears between the follicular cells and the oocyte. The flattened follicular cells are transformed into cuboidal cells. The primary follicle can be distinguished from primordial follicle histologically. You see here the structure of primary follicle. This primordial follicle can be developed into a primary follicle. You see here, this oocyte is surrounded by a membrane that is called as the zona pellucida, and these follicular cells now become columnar, that is, they look like the column, and there is presence of the basement membrane. Now next one is the secondary follicle. The ovum at this stage is increased in size and surrounded by many layers of follicular cells, which in their turn are surrounded by theca externa and theca interna. The antrum or follicular cavity appears, and hence the follicle is recognized as vesicular follicle. The primary follicle get converted into secondary follicle. So in this, the ovum increases in size. You see here, and it is surrounded by a zona pellucida, that is, oocyte is surrounded by zona pellucida, and there is development of the follicular cavity. The secondary follicle develops, that is, increases in size and moves deeper in stroma. It becomes a big that it not only reaches the surface of the ovary but forms a bulging. In this situation, it is called mature follicle or Graafian follicle, which shows following layers. You see here the secondary follicle is converted into Graafian follicle, or it is also called as mature follicle. So this shows the layers. The external one is called as the theca externa. It is the outermost covering of the fibrous connective tissue meant for protection of the follicle. कशापासून तयार झालेला आहे? दॅट इज दी फायब्रस कनेक्टिव्ह टिश्यू. ह्याचं काम काय आहे? ही जी डेव्हलपिंग ओहम आहे, ह्याला प्रोटेक्ट करणं कुणाचं काम आहे? दॅट इज दी थिका एक्सटर्ना. इंटरनल टू धिस म्हणजे याच्या आतच्या बाजूला काय? थिका इंटर्ना. इट इज अ ग्लँड्युलर अँड फॅस्क्युलर लेयर. ही कसं आहे? ग्लँड्युलर आणि फॅस्क्युलर लेयर आहे. दी सेल्स लॅटर सिक्रीट अ हार्मोन कॉल्ड इस्ट्रोजन. ही जी थिका इंटर्नामध्ये जी सेल्स आहेत ही काय सिक्रीट करते? दॅट इज द हार्मोन इस्ट्रोजन. अँड दे आर देन कॉल्ड दी सेल्स ऑफ थिकल ग्लँड. त्यानंतर ह्याला थिकल ग्लँड असं म्हटलं जाते. Then next layer is the membrana granulosa. You see here, this is the wall of Graafian follicle. ह्या Graafian follicleचं ही wall आहे, which become thin gradually when the atrum increases in size. Atrum म्हणजे ही जी कॅव्हिटी आहे ही जसं इन्क्रीज होईल तसं ही मेम्ब्रेना ग्रॅन्युलोसा थिन होत जाते. दी फॉलिक्युलर सेल्स ऑफ दिस लेयर आर कॉल्ड ग्रॅन्युलोसा सेल्स. ह्याला ग्रॅन्युलोसा सेल्स असं म्हटलेलं आहे. दी ग्रॅन्युलोसा सेल्स फॉर्म दी ल्युटियल सेल्स ऑर कॉर्पस ल्युटियम ड्युरिंग दी प्रेग्नन्सी. Next one is the follicular cavity, or it is also called as the atrum. The small space that is among the cells unite to form a cavity called atrum, which soon gets filled with the fluid called liquor folliculi. This fluid helps to exert a pressure on walls of follicle and stroma to rupture it for release of ovum during the ovulation. Next layer is the discus proligerus. As the ovum is pushed on one side of the follicle, the granulosa cells that are attached to oocyte and the wall of follicle forms the stalk called as the discus proligerus. This holds the ovum suspended in the atrum and liquor folliculi. Then the oocyte, it is large spherical cell surrounded by thick striated membrane of polysaccharides called zona pellucida, which in turn is surrounded by a layer of columnar follicular cells called the corona radiata. And the last follicle, that is the atretic follicle. The number of primordial follicles do not reach maturity, but they get generated. Such degenerating follicle is called as atretic follicle, and the process is called as atresia. In the stroma of cortex, such follicles are also observed under microscope. you see here the atretic follicles which are present or seen in the tears of the ovary.